Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the shirt fabric and the decal type. Polyester behaves differently than cotton, so test a hidden seam first. Once done, position the shirt flat and place a thin towel over the name/number to protect fibers. Apply steady heat with an iron or heat gun for 20-30 seconds until adhesive softens. Make sure to hover rather than scorch. Then use a thin scraper to lift a corner slowly, because pulling too fast tears threads. You continue by alternating heat and slow peeling. Reheat every 5-10 seconds and pull at a low angle to reduce fiber stress. If adhesive remains, apply isopropyl alcohol or a fabric-safe adhesive remover, letting it sit for 1 to 2 minutes so it penetrates the glue. Then gently rub with a soft cloth and a plastic scraper to lift residue. Make sure to test remover on a hidden area first, because strong solvents can discolor inks or finishes. You finish by washing the shirt on a gentle cycle using mild detergent to remove any solvent and leftover adhesive. This also relaxes fibers disturbed by scraping. Once washed, air dry rather than tumble to avoid setting any faint stains. Inspect the area closely. If ghosting or residue remains, reheat targeted spots and repeat alcohol treatment, or consider professional reprinting if fabric is damaged. One troubleshooting tip: if the decal won't budge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.